Check out this Ford 2018 F-150 Raptor Crew Cab pickup. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: navigation system, equipment group 802A luxury, gross vehicle weight 7,050 lbs payload package, Raptor carbon fiber package, Raptor exterior graphics package, Raptor hood graphics package, Raptor technology package, and 7 speakers. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.